Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. Welcome back to the channel. You know what they say, new year, new color. That's right, we're gonna be incorporating Pantone's color of the year today in our makeup, and we're gonna talk about it too. So, you know what to do, grab your beverage, let go. Alright, so it's good to see you guys this week. What are you sipping on over there? Me? Just a little screwdriver, a little vodka, a little orange juice. So, cheers to you. So in today's look, I wanted to incorporate Pantone's color of the year. Are you guys familiar with Pantone? Well, Pantone is a color house that's designed to forecast what the trending color will be for the upcoming year. So this year, they've identified not one, but two colors, honey, and we'll talk about that in a second. Now, when Pantone forecasts their color, it influences all of those things between designers and clothing and home decor. But I also thought it'd be really great to incorporate those colors into our makeup. Now, last year's color was classic blue. Now, if you are a beauty bestie that watches any of my videos, you'll notice that classic blue is in every single one of my videos. And if you notice, last year, blue was all around us. So Pantone has released two colors this year, Illuminating and Ultimate Gray. Now this is very unique because traditionally Pantone only releases one color, i.e. color of the year. This will be the second time that they released two shades, and the first time they've released a achromatic color. I know you're like, all right, beauty bestie, what's the achromatic color? Well, achromatic stands for without color. And gray, if you don't know, isn't truly a color. Now don't get me wrong, I look good in gray. I like to wear gray, but gray is created by mixing black and white together. Hence, it's not a color. So this is very unique all the way around. I feel like with the 2020 we had, Pantone is like, let's give 2021 some options in case it goes either kind of way. For me personally, the gray feels real grounding, and the yellow feels very like hopeful, very illuminating. Keep up alive, AKA my screwdriver. And today we're gonna be utilizing the yellow and the gray and creating an eye that hopefully feels inspiring and grounding at the same time. And you know I can't forget, snatch boo. So let's get started. Now y'all know I typically come with my face on at least a brow. I have nothing on, don't stare at me, I'm naked. But we're gonna do brows, we're gonna do skin, and ultimately we're gonna do the ultimate eye. Now, here are a couple of products we're gonna be using for today. I really wanted to play around with texture. So we're gonna utilize the yellow and the Paintstick palette by MAC. We're gonna use Goldmine eyeshadow here. Ooh, look at Goldmine. It's cute and frosted and shimmery, oh my. I felt like I wanted to add a little zhuzh to this, so we're gonna use a Dazzle liquid eyeshadow as well, called Flash and Dash, because we fancy and stuff. Skin today is gonna be concealers, so I'm just gonna utilize my concealer palette, and we're gonna make the skin look lovely. I don't know if y'all know, but I have a new highlighter obsession. It's by La Mer. It's called the Hydrating Illuminator. So I'm gonna show y'all this today as well. Ooh, don't stare at my nails. I need a manicure. Don't judge me. It's coming this week. And we're gonna finish with a nude matte lip. And this is Teddy 2.0, which is one of the new shades in the Powderkiss lipstick by MAC as well. So I'm excited to play around with this. So first up, we're gonna do skin. Just a little. I'm gonna actually just do skin around the eyes, and then we'll do the rest later. A little Fix Plus, fluffy brush. And we're just gonna go in, we're gonna color correct and do a little bit of brightening. So tell me, how was your weekend? How was your week? My weekend has been super chill, can you believe it? I wanted to do nothing this weekend. So Friday, I have a friend that's in town. We did a little light happy hour, me and her and another friend. And then I filmed, I filmed an episode for What's in Your Bag. And it's coming soon. It's gonna come in March because the person who I got a chance to talk to is amazing. And ooh, I can't wait to tell you who it is. I can't wait to announce it. I can't wait to post the video, but it's such a good interview. And they show us what's in their bag, and it's some good stuff. And we talk about some great topics as well. So I did that. It was a nice, quiet weekend. Okay, so to me, that's good for right now. All right, on to brows. Eyebrow Styler by MAC in Spite. We're gonna brush the brows up first, and then we're gonna fill it in. It's a brand new one, so I like to warm it up on the back of my hand just to kind of get like the product a little soft. And we're gonna start right under the arch. I'll pull this forward and down. I'm just gonna underscore first. I'm gonna pull this out this way. And then I'm gonna actually do the shape of the brow before I fill it in. I know. I said, let's do something out of the usual for us today, just to kind of keep things spicy. You know, you gotta keep things spicy in a relationship around these parts. Oh my God, I think I found a gray hair. Oh no, it's just concealer under here. Sorry, false alarm. Back to brows. Whew, brows are on. Child, I got a little nervous. You know, I'm still in my early to mid-late 30s. I was not expecting a gray hair on my brow just yet. Here, yes. Here, possibly. Brows, no ma'am, Pam. All right, moving on. Let's get the eye on. 24-hour eye base, fluffy brush, boom. You know what we do. A little bit on the back of the hands and all over the lid. So for the illuminating gray, because that's one of the colors, we're gonna utilize Scene, S-C-E-N-E, by MAC. Taking Scene, flat brush, and I'm gonna press this on the lid. Boom. I'm gonna pull up. And I'm gonna stop short here, because this is where I'm gonna place my yellow. Take a clean fluffy brush and just kind of blend out any edges. You know what I love about Pantone? So there's a scene, if you ever seen the movie The Devil Wears Prada, there's a scene where Anne Hathaway's character, Andy Sachs, Andrea, obviously she's new to the fashion industry. She's working at this fashion magazine, has no clue what she's doing. And Miranda Priestley calls in her office, they're trying to style. She has this giggle moment and it aggravates the hell out of Miranda Priestley and she reads her for filth, honey. But she talks about how this color, the sweater that you're wearing right now, this color was seen on the runway, then it was adapted to, you know, this designer that eventually ended up in this bargain bin that you probably fished it out of. So while you're sitting in the room where trends happen and you think you're haphazardly wearing this sweater, man, it was already chosen for you before you even knew it. And that is what Pantone does. Like this Pantone Color of the Year really sets the trend and the tone of what we'll see for the entire year. So, you know, you can wear the trend on your eye as well. So this is a really great way to also incorporate trend and make it really modern. Then we're gonna use Phone Number Eye Kohl because it's a, you know, a graphite, like a deep, deep gray. And we're gonna do a little bit of a carved crease. So the easiest way to do a carved crease is you can take your liner and you can draw the liner on. I'm gonna go like this, I'm gonna pull up. We're gonna carve this out. Boom. Can y'all see that? You see how I went in? And we literally just carved out where we wanted the liner to be. So we're gonna make this nice and deep. And for my eye shape, I'm working slightly above the fold of my eye. I'm gonna pull down, but I'm gonna avoid working downward with gravity because sometimes you can go on a downward slope. So I'm just gonna pull this down and then I'm gonna start underneath and bring this up to connect. So that way I can control the shape here in the narrative. Grab your shorter fluffy brush. I'm gonna come closer for you all. And we're gonna go back and forth to soften this up. We're gonna go back and forth and we're gonna pull this down slightly. Now that I have it blended, I can go back in with shadow to make it intense and to keep it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend the other side. Next up, I'm taking Print eyeshadow. We're gonna wrap print right through here. And in fact, you think I'm gonna actually blow this out a little. Now I'm gonna grab the yellow paint stick. I'm gonna place it in the inner. I'm gonna pull up into my brow and pull up this way. Now, because we put the paint stick down first, when we put the eyeshadow on top, it's gonna catch and it's gonna be so vibrant. So let's go ahead and do that too. Goldmine eyeshadow, a flat brush. I'm gonna press and lift. Oh yes, honey. Another tip, you can take the Q-tip, wrap it in your makeup wipe, and then also clean away. All right, now that I cleaned up some, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more detailing. Taking more Goldmine. So I'm gonna allow it to shear itself up this way for a wash of yellow, but we're gonna make it brighter through here. And then we'll also add the glitter on top. Now let's go in and build the skin. Concealer palette, brush, boom, bam, boom. So between you and I chose the concealer palette today because I wanted more coverage than I normally do to really accentuate this eye. Look how skin-tastic that is. I love this palette because you can literally paint in your highlight and your contour at the same time as your skin. Handy. I'm gonna do a first round of powder and through the center. Contour palette today. We're going real fancy. I know we're not done with this eye, but I just want to show you this. Here's how it looks. Boom on the back of my hand, fan brush, highlighter. I'm gonna come close. Look at this magic. Look at that glow. Baby, when I tell you this hydrating illuminator is everything. Everything. It has officially changed my life. How you glowing? Ooh, yes, yeah. All right, so that's the hydrating illuminator. We got our glow on, y'all. So I actually thought I had a yellow eyeliner. I don't, so I'm gonna use Fascinating, which is a white pencil. We're gonna go in the waterline. I'm gonna take one of my favorite brushes, a 212, it's nice and flat, with chrome yellow. We're gonna make a yellow eyeliner. We're gonna take it, we're gonna place it on top of Fascinating. Boom. Look how magical having yellow in the waterline. We're gonna do the glitter, and we're gonna take this on top of the yellow. We're gonna pull this up. We're gonna make it nice and juicy, baby. Oh, yes. How gorgeous is that? I love it. Let's curl these lashes. I'm gonna prime our lips. Teddy 2.0, right in the center. Oh, this is so good. It's going all over, never mind. And there you have it, new year, new makeup, utilizing the Pantone colors of the season, Illuminating and Ultimate Gray. I hope you feel inspired. I got really excited. It's nice and big and blown out. But I hope you feel excited. I hope these colors ground you and give you hope. Guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, and leave me a comment. Most importantly, are those notifications turned on? I hope so. Who loves you? I do. See you next time. Bye.